Torrential slide cost genuinely equivalent to $16.8900 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, $16.7000 to $17.1700, or so they in every practical sense thought. The earlier day close, $17.1200, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change essentially was 0.2300, 1.34%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Backwards rate, USD to Avax in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $17.33, especially most extreme 18.54, really least 16.12 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $17.28, most certainly greatest 18.49, sort of least 16.07, which especially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $16.67, fundamentally most extreme 17.84, by and large least 15.50 in a for the most part significant manner. Torrential slide figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $17.48, certainly greatest 18.70, beautiful least 16.26 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. April, 3, cost $16.77, exceptionally greatest 17.94, certainly least 15.60 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $17.58, by and large greatest 18.81, genuinely least 16.35, which especially is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $16.71, really greatest 17.88, in every practical sense, least 15.54, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide figure on Thursday. April, 6, cost $17.21, beautiful most extreme 18.41, sort of least 16.01, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. April, 7, cost $16.57, sort of most extreme 17.73, truly least 15.41, which is genuinely huge. In about 14 days torrential slide gauge on Monday. April, 10, cost $18.47, most extreme 19.76, in every way that really matters, least 17.18 amazingly. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $18.77, most extreme 20.08, truly least 17.46, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $17.04, kind of most extreme 18.23, exceptionally least 15.85 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $17.74, in every practical sense, greatest 18.98, truly least 16.50 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide gauge on Friday. April, 14, cost $18.02, truly greatest 19.28, essentially least 16.76, which especially is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April, 17, cost $20.16, kind of greatest 21.57, in every way that really matters, least 18.75, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $19.70, certainly greatest 21.08, fundamentally least 18.32. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $20.51, lovely most extreme 21.95, fundamentally least 19.07, which all things considered, is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Thursday. April, 20, cost $19.32, greatest 20.67, extremely least 17.97 in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April, 21, cost $18.08, for the most part greatest 19.35, fundamentally least 16.81, which really is genuinely huge. In about a month torrential slide figure on Monday. April, 24, cost $17.77, exceptionally most extreme 19.01, extremely least 16.53, so torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $18.19, most certainly greatest $19.46, most certainly least $16.92, showing that torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $17.58, really most extreme $18.81, genuinely least $16.35, or so they most certainly thought. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $18.08, exceptionally most extreme $19.35, sort of least $16.81, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to AVAX conversion standard in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.0592 coins per $1. Today, S reach 0.0582 minus 0.0599, or so they in a real sense thought. The past day, S nearby 0.0584 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0008, plus 1.37% in a sort of significant way. USD to AVAX cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 0.058 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.062, lovely least 0.054, which explicitly is very critical. USD to AVAX expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 0.058 coins, really most extreme 0.062, by and large least 0.054 in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost 0.060 coins, most extreme 0.065, truly least 0.056, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to AVAX forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost 0.057 coins, sort of most extreme 0.062, by and large least 0.053, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost 0.060 coins, certainly most extreme 0.064, genuinely least 0.056. So torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $18.77, greatest $20.08, beautiful least $17.46 in a very significant way. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.057 coins, greatest 0.061, by and large least 0.053 in an exceptionally huge manner. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.060 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.064, in every practical sense, least 0.056, which truly is very huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.058 coins, really greatest 0.062, exceptionally least 0.054 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 0.060 coins, certainly greatest 0.065, sort of least 0.056 in a sort of significant manner. In about 14 days USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 0.054 coins, truly most extreme 0.058, especially least 0.